Alright, here we go. CNC not group break. Mangas. 2-box break, 12-13. SP Authentic and Draft Prospects. Hooray! SPX pack for the win. There we go, pack 1. 94 Retro Braden Holtby. Authentic Moments Dustin Brown. MVP rookie Chet Pickard. Hooray! Alright, Vinny, I'll get that updated for you right after this. We got a Team Canada Moments dual PK Subban and Jordan Eberle. 94 Retro Brian Trottier. Future Watch rookie auto to 999 Brandon Bollig. 94 Retro Gabriel Landeskog. Hashtag Skoggy. Team Canada Moments, John Tavares. Base. Authentic Moments, Drew Doughty. Authentic Moments, Wayne Gretzky. '94 Retro, Jake Allen. Team Canada Moments, Jeff Skinner. Base. 94 Retro, Cam Neely. Base. Authentic Moments dual, Bobby Orr and Phil Esposito. Future Watch rookie auto to 999 Scott Glennie. 94 Retro Bobby Clark. Authentic Moments Jonathan Quick. Base. We'll do the SPX pack before the patch, which has a quad jersey auto rookie, number to 275, Scott Glennie. And a 4-color Future Watch patch and autograph, number 83 of 100, Akeem Aliu. So that's it for the SPA. Now on to the draft prospects. Come on, let's get on that property. Pack feels like an Av Moosehead. Draft surprises, Igor Larionov. Emerald, number to 50, Jeremy Roenick. Marc-Andre Fleury. Dylan Hetherington. Anthony Duclair. Ilya Brizgalov. Malcolm Subban. We've got a game used jersey silver, William Carrier. See, I told you. We've got a past and future dual jersey silver, Mario Lemieux and Nathan McKinnon. And we got an autograph of Mirko Mueller. See, I really told you. We've got an autograph, Nathan McKinnon. Nathan McKinnon autograph. And an autograph of Sean Monahan. Sean Monahan. Well, that's an alright pack for you there.